So today we are going to be discussing about what is DevOps. What is DevOps? Tomorrow we are going to be discussing about what is AWS and DevOps versus AWS. That is in exactly tomorrow class. So today, what is DevOps? Tomorrow we are going to be discussing what is AWS and what is the difference between DevOps and AWS. We'll discuss tomorrow session. Okay. So in this course, complete DevOps course will be covered. Complete AWS also covered. Complete DevOps, complete AWS. Our course starts with AWS. Our course starts with what? AWS. AWS. Okay. So before starting the session, I want to overview of this course. What exactly we are going to be. What is the duration? What are the prerequisites? What are the benefits? What are the fee of this course? Each and everything. First, we need to brief. Then we can start our demonstration. Got it. So this course is designed for what? DevOps plus complete AWS plus Linux basics and shell script. The combination of these are all things. Okay, we are going to be covering within 4 months. Within 4 months, please. So that means, so the total duration of the DevOps is what? 75 days plus. The total AWS course at around maybe 44 days plus. Got it very clearly? Understood? For completing DevOps and AWS, it will take 4 months plus. 4 months plus. So we are going to be start with what? AWS. Ends with what? DevOps. We're going to be start with what? AWS. Ends with what? DevOps. That is in a flow. Fine. So who can join in this course? Either AWS or DevOps. Who can join in this courses like AWS as well as DevOps? So who can join in AWS? Who can join DevOps? Yeah. So for learning DevOps and AWS, the prerequisite is what? Linux. Linux is required. So that I will be covered. Don't worry. That I will be covered. Don't worry. And it's required shell scripting. It's required shell script. That I will be covered. For learning DevOps, for learning AWS, is there any programming skills is required? Answer is no. No programming skills is required. Not required. Are we going to be doing any programmings? Are we going to be writing any programmings? No. Answer is no. So for practicing, you require a laptop. The laptop configuration is minimum Windows 10 Pro, 4 GB RAM, i3 process, minimum. So these are all the prerequisites for learning these courses. And who can join in these courses? Who can join in these courses? Yeah, freshers. Freshers can join in this course. Freshers can join in this course. And experienced people like developers, testers, AWS administrators, Linux administrators, Windows admins, DBA admins, any non-IT background also. Any non-IT background experience people. Non-IT, any non-IT background. Yes. So coming into the executions, any graduates is okay. Any graduate. The graduation is must and should. Any graduate is must and should. Okay. So if you join in this course, what are the benefits? If you join a course, what are the benefits you are going to be getting, please? So benefits of this course is a daily recordings will be sent via Google Drive. So after payment. And each and every class daily you will receive a recording sessions. So via Google Drive after payment. So the recording session valid up to 11 months. The recording sessions valid up to 11 months. And so after completion of this course, I'm going to be helping you to prepare resume preparation, entry question and answers I will give you. For live projects, it will be covered in the duration of these 4 months. 4 live projects will be covered. 80% of materials will be provided. Soft copies. 80% of materials. Our course starts with very basic level and ends with an advanced level. And each and every class is a theoretical explanation. Then I'm going to implement practically, and that will be an assignment to you. So you need to complete on the same day itself. What I say? You need to promise yourself 1 hour for a class, 2 hours minimum practice per day, 3 hours spent for DevOps or AWS. You need to make you promise yourself. That is must and should. Got it. So after completion of course, complete certification from our institute. You can get course complete certificate from our institute as a fresher. So experienced people don't show anywhere else, please. Not required for freshers, for experienced people. Coming on to the time and fee. So daily 1 hour class. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. The class is 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. 7 a.m. So Monday to Saturday. The classes are Monday to Saturday. Sunday optional. It may monthly once 1 class. Per month 1 class, Sunday class. I will inform you 1 day before or 2 days before. Don't worry. Whether we have a class on Sunday or not, I will inform you 1 day before or 2 days before. Monthly 1 class, Sunday class. Got it. So for you are going to be paying 12,000 rupees for full AWS, full DevOps, and for full AWS. So complete DevOps course, for complete AWS course, and plus daily recordings videos. You are going to be paying what? 12,000 rupees. And the course fee is what? So complete DevOps, complete AWS, daily recordings. For daily recordings, you are going to be paying what? 12,000 rupees. So who are all join only AWS? Only AWS. 4,000. Got it very clear. Hello. Understood. So if you want to talk to admin, so please call to our admin. This is my admin numbers. If it is first number is busy, please call to second number. If it is second number is busy, call to the third number. Please call to our admin numbers regarding any payment issue or payments or any admin kind of questions. Please call to them. call to them, please. So if you want to see my content, so this 4 months of course, so which content, so what is the syllabus I'm going to be covering, please visit this Google Drive. But the public access, anybody can access, guys, please. Anybody can access. Anybody can access. I shared in chat box, please get it out. So first one is what? Course overview. Course overview. Yeah, please visit, which are already discussed that. The second document is DevOps content. DevOps content. So totally around, so 18 pages of content. Please go through this line by line. It is totally 18 pages of content. Go for line by line. And we have a AWS content here. So go through this line by line base, guys, please. Go through this line by line, please. It around maybe, so 9 pages of content of AWS. Got it very clearly? Fine. 1 second, please. Fine. Very good. Very good. Very good. So that is in exactly our course overview. Okay. So today we are going to be discussing about what is DevOps. So tomorrow we'll discuss about what is AWS. Okay. So before starting our demonstration, let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. So my name is Lakshmi Rao. My name is Lakshmi Rao. I have totally 15 years of experience in IT. My career starts as Java developer. Then I turned as a DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS Cloud. Both I'm handling. Got it. That is exactly my introduction. So before starting the session, just I want to clarify with you some few questions. Just I want to clarify with these 3 questions. What is the first question I'm going to be asking, please? What is an application? What is an application, guys? What is an application? What is the second question? What is a server? The third question is what? What is SDLC? What is SDLC? First, let us clarify these 3 questions, then we'll start our what is DevOps. So what is application? Anybody? And what is the server? Application is nothing but what? Application is nothing but what? Like, website, like Flipkart. Like a Flipkart. What I mean? So these are all things, the websites we calling as what? Application. Like IRCTC, Book My Show, what I mean? Okay. So application is nothing but what? The working software which is any programming language we call as application. The working software which is written any programming language like Java, .NET, Python, we call as an application. That application we are going to be deploying onto the servers. We're going to be deploying onto the servers. After placing this application on server, then there itself we are going to be accessing over an internet as a website. Got it? Let me repeat one more time. Let me repeat one more time. What is an application? What are the server, please? What is an application? What are the server? Let me repeat. The working software which is written any programming language like Java, .NET, Python, any programming, that program we call as what? Application. That application we are going to be placing on server side. Then there itself we are going to be accessing over an internet as a website. I hope you clarified what is an application, what is a server. Then the next question is what? What is SDLC? What is SDLC? What is SDLC? Who don't know? Please reply in the chat box. Who know it? Please quickly. Can you reply in the chat box, please, all of you? All of you, please. Please, quickly. Who don't know SDLC? Who knows SDLC? Can you reply in the chat box quickly? I'm waiting for your reply. Yes, Vinod. Yeah, thanks for replying, Vinod. Yeah. Raju, thanks. Yes. Kishore, thanks. Thanks for replying, all of you students, my students. Fine. So let us understand. So what is SDLC? For example, I want a Redbus kind of applications. I want a Redbus kind of application. Can able to build overnight? Is it possible? Can able to build? No. We can't build our application or our websites over internet. It's not possible. Not possible. Not possible. For example, I have a business called a travel business. I have a business called travel business. Do you require a website, online website or not? Yeah, definitely. I want to do business and online. For that, I require a website. For that, can I able to get it to overnight the website? Can I able to get it to overnight? No, we can't get it. But how exactly, guys, please? So by following SDLC, by following SDLC, by following SDLC. So in this SDLC, we have a several stages like analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and the maintenance. And the maintenance. Several stages, several phases. By following the stages and phases, we can able to produce a working software like Redbus or like a Flipkart. Okay, okay, fine. Let us give a good example. You can able to understand more about that. For example, if you want to build a house, if you want to build a house, can able to build house overnight? Is it possible? No. For building, for constructing house also, or apartment or villa or house, anything. So we need to follow so many stages. So what are the stages, please? First, we need to gather the information. What are the cement costs? What are the iron costs? Then one good plan is required. According to the plan, we are going to be start build. According to the plan, we are going to be start construction. Like so beams, so walls, slope, plumbing, and plastering, painting, electrical, and finally suburban. So just for constructing house, we have a several stages and phases. The same way to produce, to deliver Redbus kind of applications, we have a several stages. Yeah, yep. Those are all, please. Analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. These are all the stages. For example, I want to build a Redbus kind of application. First, what I will do, please, I want to gather the information from the client. I want to gather the information from the client and analysis. What kind of business this? What kind of business this? Is required a login page, registration page, which technology I'm going to be using. I'm going to be analysis. After analysis, we are going to be doing what? Design. It's nothing but a very good plan. After design, So we are going to be implementing a software by using any programming language. Our developers going to be writing a lines of code by using Java, .NET, Python program. After successfully writing program, whether it is working or not, our testers will be verified. Our testers will be verified by using a manual test cases or automatic test cases. After verifying, we got a working software with zero errors, with zero bugs. Then we are placing on production service. After successfully placing on production service, we can able to access like a book measure and flip or a whatever maybe Redbus or IRCTs whatever maybe please. Then that's it. No, we need to maintain and monitor this. We calling as what? Maintenance. So what is it? Please, if you want to deliver and maintenance or a Redbus kind of applications, we need to analysis design to implementation, implement testing to deploy to maintenance. That is the complete SDLC flow. By using SDLC, we can able to produce a working software. By using SDLC, we can able to produce a working software as an application. By using SDLC, we can able to develop, alter, maintain, replace a software system. It includes planning, design, build, test, and deploy. Got it? That is exactly SDLC. So on top of this SDLC, we are going to be implementing DevOps process. What is DEV? DEV is nothing but what? Development. Software development. It is a dev environment. Plus operations. The combination of software development plus operation we call as what? DevOps. The combination of software development plus operations we call as what? DevOps. DevOps is a process. It is not a technology like Java.NET. No, it is not a technology. It is a process we call as a methodology. Some principles. We are following some rules and regulations to implement a DevOps process. It's a process. While implementing DevOps process, our roles and responsibilities starts from dev environment to operations. Our roles and responsibilities starts from dev environment to operations. Got it? That means we are going to be implementing DevOps process from dev environment to operation. That means we are part of coding, build, test, release, deploy, operation, monitoring. But to be frankly, we are not developers, we are not testers. Just we're implementing a DevOps process from dev environment to operation. That's it. Then. But the point is, while implementing this DevOps process with an automated way, we need to deliver the working software from dev environment to operation within shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost. It is nothing but what? DevOps. What I said? Listen very carefully. So while delivering working software from dev environment to production environment with an automated way, with a transparent way, we need to deliver, please, within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost. Is nothing but what? DevOps. Got it very clearly. So we are going to be implementing automated process from dev environment to operation. For what? For delivering working software into the production server. While delivering into the production server, what we need to follow, please? So we need to deliver the shortest time. We need to deliver within the shortest time with the high quality with low cost. It is exactly DevOps engineer does. Then it's very clear. It's very clear. Okay. So that means, so as a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibility is what? We are going to be replacing a complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. A complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. That is exactly our goal. So what is a complex pipeline? What is a transparent pipeline? Let us understand. What is a complex pipeline, please? The complex pipeline is nothing but what? SDLC. The complex pipeline is what? SDLC. SDLC means, why we calling SDLC is a complex, please? While delivering working software from analysis to design, design to implementation, implement to testing, testing to deploy, deploy to maintenance, it is a manual process. It is a manual process. If you got any problem in the middle, here or maybe here, some problem in the middle, if you got any problem in the middle, for identification the problem, for resolving the problem, it will take long time. That is the reason we calling as this complex. Let me repeat one more time, guys, please. Why we are calling this complex pipeline? It is a manual process. It is a manual process. From one stage to another stage, we need to deliver the working software it manually. If you got any problem, to identification, it will take long time. For resolving issue, it will take long time. For your understanding, I'll give a good example. Yes. For example, water pipeline. It is an underground. Somewhere else, it's a blockage. Somewhere else, it's a blockage here. It's not a leakage, it is a blockage. It is an underground, it is a blockage. How difficult to find, guys? Please, it is a manual process. It is very difficult or not? Definitely, it is a difficult part to identification to problem. It will take long time. It will take long time to fix the issues also. The same concept here also. Okay, that is the reason we are going to be replacing with what? A transparent pipeline. We are going to be replacing with what? A transparent pipeline. Everything is visualized. Everything will be automated. For example, in this transparent water pipeline, if you got any blockage in the middle, so because of it is transparent, can able to identify it's one look itself or not, with no time or not. Yeah, we can able to identify the problem as soon as possible within one look itself with no time, and we can able to fix the issues also very quickly as soon as possible. Understood? So the same way a DevOps also. So what I'm trying to tell you, please, DevOps is a transparent pipeline. Everything is visualized. Everything is an automated. Everything is a transparent. Everything is an automated. That means while delivering working software from dev environment to operation, we are going to be implementing a transparent, unautomated pipeline. While delivering working software from while delivering working software from dev environment to operation with a transparent way, with an automated way, we make sure about that within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost or not. It is an exactly DevOps engineer does. But let us understand a typical high-end view for DevOps. So actually, please. So this is an exactly our DevOps process. This is an exactly what? Our DevOps process. So we are going to be implementing a DevOps transparent pipeline. So in this DevOps transparent pipeline, we have a plan, code, integration, testing, release, deploy, operations. But in this DevOps transparent pipeline, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with operations only. To be frankly, we are not part of planning. We are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are implementing a automated process, an automated process with a transparent way from dev environment to operations. That is in exactly our prior goal. Okay, let us understand this diagram, this flow, and each and every stage. So one by one, please. So what are the roles and responsibilities in coding? What are the responsibilities in integration and testing, release, deploy, operation? Let us understand one by one, please. Please, for example, in dev environment, the developers are writing the lines of code by using Java, .NET, Python, whatever may be. So the developers are writing the lines of code continuously. Am I right? The writing is responsible by whom, please? Developer. But that code we call as a source code, and we are going to be maintaining under repositories. Under the repositories. Listen very carefully. As a DevOps engineer, we are not writing any lines of code, but we are maintaining a source code. Writing is responsible by the developer, maintenance responsible by the DevOps engineer. But how many developers are writing code? N number of developers. N number of developers continuously writing a code. As a DevOps engineer, all developer source code we need to integrate. We need to integrate with the help of the CS server. That our job is what? We are not writing code, but we are maintaining and integrating all developer source code continuously. After integrating, we are going to be getting a comprehensive source code at this space. Comprehensive means all developer source code were integrated a common source code. Whether it is working or not, we are going to be executing test cases. Are we writing any test cases? No. Just we are integrating test cases which is written by the testers. After executing test cases, if you got any error, any bug, it is redirecting back to the developer. Developer has to fix the issue, again integration, and again test. Again test. Again, if you got a error and bug, what will happen? Again, this loop will be repeated. That means until zero errors, until zero bugs, this loop will be repeated. This loop will be repeated until what? Zero errors, zero bugs. After successfully verifying by test cases, then so we call as what? Working software as an application, deploying or placing or delivering into where exactly? Release. Got it? So the working software with zero errors, zero bugs, what we call application. That application we are going to be placing onto the delivery is nothing but what? Release. We are going to be delivering into the release. So we're going to be halt sometime, maybe weekly. We're going to be halt sometime with support of all the team members. We are going to be delivering onto the production service. So we're going to be placing on hundreds of servers. We're going to be placing on hundreds of servers. After successfully placing on hundreds of servers, we can able to access this application over an internet as a website. Got it. That's it. After successfully deploying our application, our job is finished? No. Whether it is an application is working or not, we need to monitor and maintenance. This entire flow we calling as what? DevOps. So we are going to be implementing DevOps process from dev environment to operation while delivering working software from dev environment to operation with a transparent way, with an automated way, within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost. That's it. We are not part of planning. We are not writing coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we're implementing an automated transparent pipeline. That's a job. That's an exactly a job. For implementing this DevOps process, we are going to be learning some tool stack. We are going to be learning some tool stack. Which are all the tool stack we're going to be learning? Please write. So we are going to be learning Git. Git is a version control for maintaining a source code in a module wise, in a branch wise, yeah. And we're going to be learning Maven. Maven is a build tool. We are going to be executing, compiling, and build this project. Maven is an automated build tool. Jenkins is an automation tool. So by using Jenkins, we are going to be in implementing an automated process. We are going to be implement a continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD process with an automated way. With an automated way. And we're going to be learning JFrog. JFrog is nothing but what? Release. JFrog is nothing but what? Release. And we are going to be learning SonarQube. SonarQube is a code analyzer. So by using Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, and SonarQube, we are going to be implementing what? CI/CD process, continuous integration, continuous delivery. Then, so we are going to be discussing about what? So configuration management. The configuration management comes under deploy. Comes under a deploy part, this part. So CI/CD is nothing but what? Continuous integration, continuous delivery. For this, we are going to be learning Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube. Okay, understood. For deploying our applications on hundreds of servers, I want to deploy our application automatically. For that, we are going to be learning Ansible and Chef. Ansible and Chef. So what is the configuration management? Simply, we are going to be replacing a manual configuration process with an automated process. For example, we have a hundreds of servers. Server 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. We have a hundreds of servers. On hundreds of servers, if you want to do creating a file, or else changing a file, replacing a software, and installing a software, what I may be, or deploying our applications, what I may be. If you do manually, how difficult? Please think about it. It's very difficult. That's the reason. By using configuration management, we are going to be replacing a manual configuration process with what? An automated process. For this, we are going to be learning Ansible is a push model and Chef. One push model we are going to be learning. Ansible is a push model. Chef is a pull model. Got it? So by using configuration management, by using Ansible and Chef, we can automate our production environment. We can automate test environment. We can automate dev environment also. But if you want to automate this process, we require hundreds of servers or not? These hundreds of servers, from where exactly we can able to get it? From cloud. From AWS cloud. We are going to be deploying our applications on AWS cloud. We are going to be getting hundreds of servers from AWS cloud. We are going to be deploying our application by using Ansible and Chef with an automated way. So the same way we can able to deploy our applications Docker's containers also. It is very cheaper, very cost is reducing, the performance will be increased. There's so many features we have in Docker containers. So very easy to that. That's it. By using Docker containers, easily we can deploy our applications. That is a thing. Very, very, very good feature in Docker. Docker is nothing but what? Easily deploying our application on Docker containers. On Docker containers. We can take an example of normal outside we have a containers are not the same way. The same. How exactly this container has the same features are Docker container also. But these Docker containers can manage by or controlling by, please, what? These are all the containers are managing by the ship or not? The ship or not? The same way. These are all the Docker containers which I'm going to be deploying our application on Docker containers. Those containers we can able to manage, control by Kubernetes. What is Docker container? What is a Kubernetes? So we are going to be learning in depth, or more time we're going to be spending on Docker and Kubernetes. It's the heart of the tools, and these two tools are heart of the DevOps. Heart of the DevOps, and it's very, very important. These two tools. We're going to be spending more time. Don't worry. And Vagrant is a virtual provisioning tool. We are going to be discussing by using Vagrant. Easily we can able to create a virtual machines in your laptops. And Nagios is a system monitoring whether a server is alive, working or not, pingable or not. We need to monitor. The basic monitoring system is a Nagios. And we are going to be learning Elk, Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, Elk. It is an application monitoring. So whether it is an application performance of exactly slow or a speed or everything, we're going to be monitoring. And we're going to be learning Terraform also. Understood very clearly. So by using Terraform, we can able to automate our cloud infrastructure, either AWS, Azure, or anything, guys, please. It is a cross cloud platform we are going to be learning. Don't worry. So by using these are all the tools. We are going to be implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline with an automated way. Got it? That is an exactly DevOps, guys, please. So today we understood what is DevOps. Tomorrow we are going to be understood what is AWS. Our course starts with AWS, ends with what? DevOps. Starts with AWS, ends with what? DevOps. That is a course plan. Okay. So who are late joiners in this session, please revise one more time. What are the benefits of this course? Let us rewind. So it is a complete DevOps and complete AWS course. Okay. So for covering DevOps, it will around maybe 75 days plus. So for AWS, 45 days plus. Total duration is 4 months. So prerequisition is Linux shell script. No programming is required. So Linux shell script I'm going to be covering anyway. So you require a laptop with this minimal configurations. So who can join this? Freshers and experience like developer, testers, Linux, Windows administrators, any non-native students. Yeah, any graduate can join in this course, please. What are the benefits? Daily recordings will be received. Daily recordings will be received after payment via Google Drive. So the validity of these videos is 11 months. Resume preparation is there. Interview questions and answers I'm going to be providing. So live projects I'm going to be covering. Yes, 80% soft copy material I'm going to be providing. Our classes starts from basic to advanced. Each and every session is practically I will explain. The daily class is 1 hour. The timing is 6 AM to 7 AM. And Saturday, Monday to Saturday classes. Sunday we have a sometime maybe monthly once we have a classes. I'll informing you before one day. So the total fee for this course is 12,000 rupees for full DevOps plus AWS and daily recording sessions. Okay, please. If you want to talk to our admin, please call to this admin numbers. I will talk to you, please. 1 second. Let me finish my end. It is my admin numbers. So this is my course content. So please go to try to access this. It is a Google Drive access. Please. Please visit this once. So running in Vamsi. So when the course starts, so running on tomorrow we are going to be starts what is, so today we understood what is DevOps. Okay, fine. For example, today what is DevOps we understood, and tomorrow what is AWS. Then day after tomorrow onward regular classes, running classes only. Day after tomorrow onwards running classes, regular classes. Fine. So any questions, guys, please? That is my end for today. So tomorrow we will meet at same time, and same link with same link. Got it. So do you have any questions? Please ask me. I can address you, please. So what is the difference between Docker and server? For example, for our understanding, this question is, yeah, Java assistance will be there. So some of the students ask me, sir, what is AWS server and difference between Docker? Simply I can say, for example, for our understanding, technically I don't want to discuss for today. For example, you want to prepare a chicken biryani. Got it? You want to eat a chicken biryani, two ways you can able to get it, either by preparing by you or else get it to a restaurant. Got it? Which is easy for you, please tell me. So if you want to deploy applications on AWS, everything is we need to respond. But Docker is not like that. Everything is ready-made. We can get it and deploy. That's it. That is a great feature as of for today. Got it. So one more example, please, for you. Yeah. Okay. Got this, please. Raj. Okay, please. So yeah, job essence means what? How to go for interview, resume preparation, like how to interview question and answers. So it will be covered. Yeah, Chaitanya asked this question. Yeah, demo sessions will be only 1 or 3 days. So first 2 days only, 3 days only. Yeah, demo in this sense of what it is a regular process only. Today we have demo session, tomorrow is AWS, today DevOps, tomorrow AWS, then we'll start regular classes only. Yeah. I am unable to copy Google document URL from the chat box. Yeah, one thing I'll do. Please. I'll do one thing. I'll resend one more time, please. Can you do it right now, please? Sai, can you do it one more time, please? Sai, can you copy this URL? Any questions? Anybody want to talk to me? So first you need to show as a, for example, total 9 years. For example, One of a student asked me these questions. I have a total 9 years of experience, non-native background, but how can I able to show as a DevOps engineer? Is the question. It is a question. The answer is what for this? Simple. So I'm working from the last 9 years onwards as a software engineer or else an IT background. But from the last 3 years onwards, I'm working as a DevOps engineer. You can show like that. You can show total 9 years as a IT. But from the last 3 or 4.5 or years onwards, you are working as a senior or DevOps engineer. You can able to show that. That will be help you. Okay, fine. Got this very clearly. What are the questions, Chaitanya, please? Can you talk to me once, Chaitanya? Placeship design designations. After the course completions, we should search for job. Yes. Yeah, you can. You can please. Vamsi Krishna, yes. So is anybody want to talk to me, please? So can I able to copy this URL or not, please? Chaitanya, okay, 1 second. So please. So course completed certificate is there, Uma Devi. For freshers, it will help them. So for after completion of course or AWS or DevOps, you can get a course completed certification. But AWS certification is different. You can do online. Yeah. Our course starts with AWS. Our course starts with AWS. Our course starts with what? AWS. You can happily join. Then we'll start DevOps. First we'll start AWS. Then we'll end with what? DevOps. That's the flow. So Avinash, if we have any doubt while practicing, so how can able to help in this after the course completion? Can we help our doubts? Avinash, what will happen? For each and every class, we're going to be recording for this. Kambal. So that's what exactly. So while conducting class, the students listening properly, but some students may forget the points and steps, whatever maybe. That's the reason we are providing a recording sessions. By recording session, they can able to practice. You can able to practice. Still, you have any queries and doubts? The next session you can able to discuss with me in the chat box. If you can't, you can talk to me. Then if you can't, you can share your screen. I can help you. That's the flow. Yeah, you can. Yeah, sing. Yeah, please. You can talk to admin. I given already. Please, Chaitanya, please wait. I'll talk to you, please. First, let me clear chat box question. Then I will talk to you, please. So, no, please talk to admin. They will help you, please. They will help you, please. Sing. Please talk to them, please. They will help you. Okay. So our covering Linux basics, Unix topics will practically, yeah. I said very clearly. So I'm going to be covering Linux basics and shell script also, Unix basics also practically. I will covered. I said very clearly covered. Can I have received demo recording session? Chaitanya, you can able to get in YouTube. So this class, the recording demo session will upload in YouTube. You can able to get it. Yes. Kishore, got this answer? Chaitanya, this recording session will be uploading into the YouTube. Please we get it. Demo sessions we can able to get it from YouTube. Yeah. So go for DURGASOFT website channel in YouTube. There itself play video list, video or playlist. You can get can able to see my videos. How much experience you have in cloud side? Totally around 4 years, Andy Kishore. Yeah. Yes. Fine. Yeah. Chaitanya, please talk to me. Chaitanya. 1 second. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. So. No one. Only access only, please. So Chaitanya, can you unmute? You can talk to me, Chaitanya. Chaitanya. You can't, please. Chaitanya, can unmute? You can talk to me. No. You can, please.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, please, Chaitanya.
Yeah. See, I have a question. In addition to that answer which you have given, let's say I have 10 years of experience into testing. Okay, so if I have to put my resume as 3 years I'm into DevOps, let's say.
Yes.
So the pay slips, my designation says that I'm a senior QA engineer or a team lead.
Yes.
Okay, so how I have to defend that? So that is my question actually.
Placeably means that is an admin kind of question, and can you talk to admin, please? Any technically I can address you, please. So
Okay.
resume I can help you how to how to show your resume in experience, like total you can go for 10 years of experience in IT, but last 5 years onwards or 3 years onwards I'm working as a DevOps engineer. That's it. That's more than enough. So your focus only resume only 3 years only.
Okay.
Okay, the place in the sense of a place scale, whatever maybe that part of admin question, please. That
Okay.
is long story about that. Please talk to admin. They will help you.
Definitely. Thank you.
Fine. So I'm a fresher. I'm a completing of course after completion of this. Can I get an experience certificate? Freshers, how can I able to get a experience certificate? Vamsi, sure. You be as a fresher, apply as a fresher. You can able to get a course completed certification from institute that will help you in. You can keep in a resume. Okay, Vamsi, yeah. Kishore. No, and Kishore, you're not eligible as a fresher, and you be as a experienced guy. You continue as experience, Kishore. It is not a chance. If it is last year passed out, maybe 2001 or 2020, yeah, it will be. But you're already too late, Kishore. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. I hope you clarified all the doubts and questions and what I may be. So we'll meet tomorrow at the same time, the same link, and tomorrow we'll discuss what is AWS. That's a class for tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for time.